Hey guys, just want to welcome you back for another video. And today I'm just having some fun. I finally got a good chance to sit down and play around with the ephemera pack with Dawn and I's collaboration on the Victorian Steampunk. And I found these tags that I had started to put together, I don't know, 4 years ago, never finished. So I thought, let me just do a mini stash busting while I sit down and have fun with our stuff. So that's what I'm working on today. And I had wanted to use cheesecloth, like cut cheesecloth into like strips and stuff to use for layers, but could I find it? No, I could not. So I thought, well, let me try these little cotton pads, and I tore them up. They were okay, but it wasn't the look I was going for, so I stopped using them. I know there's other things I'll end up trying them out with in other projects, but today it just wasn't doing the thing. So still had fun though. It was just really nice to be able to sit down and play around and finish these off and stuff like that. So I just brought in like the ephemera. I used lace strips for like a kind of a tassel-y kind of thing, and I used the hot glue to hold them in place, and then just did my usual decorating, finishing them off with like gemstones or flowers and things like that. So it was pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Um, like I said, the goal was just to sit down and have some fun playing around. So everything will be linked down below if you're interested in picking up the stuff. The book that we put out is available on Amazon and our websites. But if you want the book in like the ephemera packs, those you would have to get from either mine or Dawn's websites. And we do have bundle options available. So definitely head over and check that out. Like I said, the links will be below. And because this is pretty straightforward, pretty simple, I'm just going to go ahead and put the rest of this to music per usual. So thanks as always for hanging out. It is so much fun being here with you guys. Thank you for helping me enjoy my summer. I actually have a rare summer off while I work on rehabilitating my right hand after I broke my wrist. So I'm going to take full advantage. So take care, you guys. Stay safe, and I will definitely be seeing you in the next video. If you're interested in some more content, here's a couple videos you might want to check out, and I will catch up with you in the next one.